I'm here at Cricket Customs and today we are undersealing the pickup truck. We're here, I'm staying here for a few days. We've got the truck on the ramp right now and we've got Jimbo and Matty from Cricket Customs working on the truck. I'm going to get involved as well, don't worry, it's not just them that's going to be doing the work. I'm going to get my hands dirty too. We're going to take off some of the grot from underneath. It's a completely clean truck underneath. There's no like rot holes or anything like that, which is great. So we're just going to take like a wire brush and stuff like that to just clean it all off. We've also got some Schultz that we're going to use to just protect underneath the truck because we are in the UK and winter is approaching. Winter is coming. And we want to be protected. I don't want to find any rot holes this time next year, so protecting underneath the truck is a must. I've come here to Cricket Customs to do that, so let's get started. Red oxide primer, acrylic. Would you mind explaining, like?
Well, we're putting the red oxide on.
Yeah.
Where we've bare metaled it.
Yeah.
To kill the rust. And yeah, that's what red oxide does. It's good for covering over.
Yeah.
Bare patches and where the rust is, and it should kill it all off. And it makes it all be very nice, ready to go for when we shoots it tomorrow.
So the order of doing it is, so we've scraped and used a wire brush. You've used an angle grinder with a
wire brush on it to get all the loose bits off and get back to the bare metal and get rid of the rust. And then we just put red oxide over the bare metal. Red oxide, bare metal, yeah. and then after that it's tomorrow, is it?
Yeah,
tomorrow we're going to Schutz it.
Schutz. Yeah. Is it Schultz or Schutz?
Schultz.
Schutz. So I ordered some stuff in advance. So this is Schutz. It is Schutz. Underbody protection. Pro range. We've got 6 cans of that.
Comes with this gun.
So does that connect to an air compressor or something?
Yeah, it goes to that big black thing over there.
A lot of people forget I use the truck to use it for truck things. I take it camping, I do long distance with it.
But
it's a daily.
Yeah, but the thing is, what we're doing now is protecting what is brilliant. It's never had any welding, doesn't need any welding, so we're keeping it from that.
So I've just finished masking a few things up. Masked up the rear shocks, brake lines, the filler neck fuel lines. The front end is looking good. Very nice, glossy black. Looks tidy. So now I'm gonna have a go at doing this part here. So if you wanted to get yourself some of this, it's for eBay, wasn't it? About 40 odd quid. 40 quid for 6 bottles in this gun.
Get all the in the cracks and crannies and...
Cracks and crannies.
Yeah, that's the one.
Today's video is sponsored by the wonderful guys at Cricket Customs, who are kindly undersealing or helping me underseal the truck, getting it ready for the winter season. Now, if you are in the Hertfordshire area or in the UK and you want some work done to your VAG vehicle, then you need to come here to Cricket Customs, where they do engine conversions, welding, underseal protection, welding, MOT stuff, loads of stuff. Have I missed anything else? Services, all the good stuff. You do a lot here, right? It's fair to say. So if you need any work done and you're not really sure, if you're like someone like me, you know, don't really trust any of these garages and stuff, so you need to come to Cricket Customs. They'll treat you so well and you'll have a laugh, and it's just, this is where you need to be. So check out in the description below, Cricket Customs. You'll see the Instagram. Get in touch with those guys, book yourself in, get some work done by the wonderful guys at Cricket Customs. Back to the video. Now, I'm going to take off the masking tape and that's the underseal. And how many, he's gone. I think we only used three cans out of 6. So when you do buy this, guys, we only use like 3 cans. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Look how dirty I am. Woohoo, man. Operation Protection. I'm currently laying under the truck and we're about to, I'm just going to do a little before and after. So here's the and here's the after. Well, there we go. That's pretty much the end of the video, isn't it? Really, we've done everything with your help. We've undersealed the truck.
Yeah, well, it's protected now, so.
It is protected.
Protected.
And that was the main thing. The main goal is that the truck is protected underneath for this winter. People at home were doing this. What would you say is like the thing how do you maintain this? Do you look at this like every year? Would you put it on the ramp and look at?
I don't think you need to really. It's protected now.
Yeah,
I would, because of what type of vehicle it is.
Yeah,
I would check it yearly anyway, because it doesn't have to have MOT. Because I've got a wax oil in it.
Right.
It always stays sticky.
It always stays sticky.
Yes, it does dry.
Yeah.
It's not like it normally is, like all gloopy and horrible.
Yeah.
But it's got that, you know, like Coke when it dries, it's got that sort of stickiness. It's got that sort of, so it's always got something to protect it. And it's like if you spray water in it, like it's like an oil, because it's got wax oil in it.
Yeah.
It just speeds up. So yeah.
Now, if people are doing this at home, how long should they wait for this to dry? Is it like a 24-hour thing? Obviously, we can leave it here because we're staying here for a couple of days. But if people are doing this at home, how long would you say?
Yeah, I would leave. I'd try and start something like this in the morning.
Yeah.
And then leave it, do it, and then leave it till the next day.
Leave it till the next day. Yeah. There you go. If anybody has any questions or comments, please feel free to write them out in the comment section below. We'll try and get back to everybody. Have you done this before? Let us know in the comment section. Let us know if you've done this. Yeah. What have you tried any other methods to protect underneath your vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. Again, I will leave a link for the products that we used in the description below. Matt, thank you so much for your kind help and hospitality at Cricket Customs. Again, I'll leave all information for Cricket Customs in the description below. Honestly, if you want some work done to your vehicle, you need to come here. This is the place to be. This, honestly, not just like for getting stuff done, but the atmosphere is very chilled, fun, and it's just, I've learned a lot. Like, honestly, just from being here for, you know, what, 1 day and a half?
Yeah.
I feel like I've learned a lot, and we've accomplished a lot. So I'm very grateful.
Yeah, it's UNDERSEAL. We've found other bits, haven't we?
Exactly, yeah. Exactly.
It's quite a new set of wheels.
Yeah, and it's great for someone like me who doesn't really know much about this and what I've got to come and for you to see it.
Yeah.
You know, and have a look and be like, oh, that's missing. You need to do this. Oh, that's loose, or something like that.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
No,
So
it's nice to get there and look at it and go from there, really.
Exactly. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe. If you're new, do you want to sign off?
Bye. Love you.
Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next video.